Kobizi sent me this gazebo canopy type tent for my review, and this is a one-person setup. That's what it's advertised at, and we're gonna set it up, and I'm gonna try and do it as a one-person setup. Now, I am familiar with these. I will note that I actually love that the fact that it's not too heavy. I've seen some of them, the 10 by 10s as well, that are extremely heavy. A lot more material goes into them, and I like the fact that this you can really haul in, go to the beach, go to a camping site, just have this and set it up really, really quickly. Now, there is something to note. I do love those handles because you are not going to have it rolling. Some of them will have rolling. I will note that there is no wheels on either side. So this is something that you can very easily, carry around, and we're gonna do that right now and set it up. So let's open it up and check it out. I'm excited to see how easy it is going to be setting it up. Okay, so first of all, we do have a wall in here. So there is obviously a roof and one-sided wall, which is pretty cool. So if you've got wind or anything like you want a little bit of privacy, you can achieve that. So let's see, what do I do here? There it is. I love the fact that it is extremely light. That's really cool. Okay, I don't even know which size is what. We've got some, this is the sandbags. Of course, sandbags are really, really useful, especially if you want to secure it to the ground. Sandbags are the way to go. Let's go. And then we've got the roof right here. Fantastic. Great. Now, this should be a pop-up situation. Let's go. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Extremely, extremely easy and light. What I'm going to try and do, and I think this is what's going to work, is pop it up like this. Yeah, look at that. Done. How easy was that? You've got 3 different heights. Right now, of course, that's at lowest height, but I will be able to bring this up. But what I do recommend is because it's a lot easier right now to put the roof on while it's at that height and then raise it up. So we're going to go and put the roof on. Really nice quality. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, this is cool. Oh. These are the walls. Wow. There's so much material. You're really literally building a little house here. Very cool. Yeah, so the walls would be done once the whole thing is at the height that you desire, of course. So you'd have to wait until the roof is set up. But yeah, so now we're talking with a nice little logo here. Beautiful. Okay. Still a one-person job so far. I'm going to loosely put it on over it, and then I'm going to figure out the corners. There you go. I've got one corner right here that I'm going to kind of set up. And you've got Velcro as well, which is nice. So now I've kind of Velcroed it, so it's not going to be moving around so much. I'm going to go and do this side. And then some Velcro there. Look at that, pretty easy. So yeah, this is the Velcro that I was talking about. So basically, it's literally, you set it up, you Velcro it, and it's not moving. Despite all the wind that I've got right now. The last one. It is a little tight for the last one, but that's normal because you want it to be tight. Look at that. Really nice and secure. Let's make sure that this is good to go. Perfect. Perfect. I'm gonna bring this over. There you go. Now, this is what I was talking about. Let me do this one here first, so you guys can see just a little, and I haven't even looked at the manual, but I'm assuming this is how I'm going to, yep, this is it. So I'm gonna put my foot on here, lift it up, and that's one. We're gonna do the opposite. That's 2. So light, so easy. That is 3. And then the last one. Boom and boom. We make sure that these go over the structure, the metallic structure. I'm gonna bring down this just like that. So as you can see right here, I was helping myself with that white Velcro, but in fact, it's the black Velcro that is attaching to this part here that's actually supposed to be Velcro. So I'm gonna make sure that it's attached. And the reason why is because I wanna make sure that this white part is left alone until I decide to put some walls, because the walls will actually attach right here. Now I won't be putting up the walls today because I do recommend, there you go, just make sure that that's tight. I do recommend that you are careful when setting up those walls, because as soon as you set up walls, if it's very windy, that can catch. And of course, I don't have the sandbags right now set up, but if I did, I could definitely put up the walls with 0 issues. But yeah, this thing is great. It's got some vents at the top, which is a nice thing. So you've got some breeze going on through there. But definitely the perfect way to add shade to any outdoor event, any outdoor picnic, gathering, family thing. It's really high quality as well. And I mean, for a very first time setting it up without even looking at instructions, I think I did okay. Actually, I was a little impatient and I needed to see what the walls look like. And look at this, all Velcroed on and then also attached to the poles with Velcro as well. So I actually set up 2 walls. It looks incredible. And I think it's super important because if you look at it this way, sunsets, you're gonna have different types of shades, and it's not always that kind of top shade that you need. You will maybe require, not only for privacy, but for shade, the sides as well. So this thing comes with all 4 walls. I only have 2 of them here, but see, look at this. I could have like this whole thing, event opened up. I could have a table, maybe there's a party, I've got some food down here, perfect. It's easy access, or I can close it all the way up. I think this thing is great. Love the little window feature. I think it's pretty cute. But yeah, super, again, easy to install, which is the key.